Keep going, you can smash it.
Level 8, 5.
You're just skipping a meter, come on.
Level 8, 6.
Here. Quick, 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 quick. Good.
Level 8, 7.
Come on, Sebastian, you can smash. I want 10.
8.
I want 10, come on.
Level 8, 9. Level 8, 10.
Good work. Good work.
Level 8, 11.
Very good.
Start level 9, 1.
Very good, yay. Woo.
Level 9, 2. Level 9, 3.
Sebastian's got it. Good work, Sebastian. I reckon you get 10. Go for 10 at least. Good work, you can hammer it. Just watch your step. Nice.
6. Level 9, 7.
Very good.
Level 9, 8.
Keep going, mate.
Level 9, 9.
You almost got 10. Smash it now. Come on. Nice.
10.
Keep going.
Level 9.
Strides a bit faster and longer, mate.
Start
Keep going.
10, 1.
Nice. Good work. Hey, good work. Everyone clap. Yay.
Level 10, 1.